Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today, we're diving into a true classic, the 1935 Ford Sedan. This vintage beauty is a perfect example of Ford's craftsmanship during the pre-war era, blending style, performance, and innovation in a way that still captivates enthusiasts today. The 1935 Ford lineup was a major step forward for the company. It introduced a more streamlined design, moving away from the traditional boxy look of the early 30s. The new styling featured a slanted grille, integrated headlights, and a more aerodynamic body that gave the car a sleek and elegant presence on the road. Ford also introduced an improved chassis, making the ride smoother and more stable. Under the hood, the 1935 Ford Sedan came with the legendary Flathead V8 engine. This 221 cubic inch powerplant produced 85 horsepower, an impressive number for its time. The Flathead V8 was known for its durability, reliability, and smooth power delivery, making it a favorite among hot rodders and classic car collectors. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, the driving experience was both engaging and enjoyable. Another major highlight was the introduction of a new frame design, featuring a solid front axle with transverse leaf springs. This setup improved handling and ride quality compared to previous models. The mechanical brakes, while not as advanced as the hydraulic systems that followed, were still effective for the era. Inside, the Ford Sedan offered a comfortable and stylish cabin. The spacious interior featured plush seats, a simple but elegant dashboard layout, and improved ergonomics compared to earlier models. Ford paid close attention to detail, using high-quality materials that made the car feel upscale despite its affordable price. One of the reasons the 1935 Ford Sedan remains so popular among collectors is its versatility. Many of these cars have been restored to their original condition, while others have been transformed into incredible hot rods with modern performance upgrades. The body design lends itself well to customization, making it a favorite canvas for builders looking to create something unique. The 1935 model also marked an important shift in Ford's production strategy. With the effects of the Great Depression still lingering, Ford focused on offering a car that was both stylish and economical. The result was a vehicle that appealed to a wide range of buyers, helping Ford maintain its position as a leader in the automotive industry. Today, finding an original 1935 Ford Sedan in good condition is a real treat. Whether it's a factory-restored classic or a modified street rod, these cars hold a special place in automotive history. They represent an era of innovation and change, where Ford pushed the boundaries of design and performance. Owning one of these machines is like owning a piece of history, a reminder of a time when cars were built with passion and craftsmanship. If you ever get the chance to see one up close or, better yet, take one for a spin, you'll understand why the 1935 Ford Sedan remains an icon in the classic car world. Thanks for watching Muscle Car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing automotive history.